welcome back to my channel. Let me fix my camera. I hate my bar keep doing this. All right, anyway, this is just gonna be a quick eyebrow tutorial. I'm gonna show you guys how I groom and fill my brows. My new brow tutorial. I'm going to wax my brow. So I'm waiting for my wax to melt, and then we're gonna go ahead and get started. But I'm gonna go ahead and line up my brows. Show you guys how I do it. I see these things, these look like freaking caterpillars right now. So our wax is melting. We're gonna go ahead and start on our brows. So if you don't know your own shape of your brow, this is how you can figure it out. So take your pencil and you start from the outer corner of your eye.
Mom, tell them if they're hearing noises from the oven. Then ask me. Look, Mom. What?
I didn't even realize. Oh, we on a.
This is going to take all day.
Oh, this probably crazy. That's probably easy.
So I'm about supposed to stop right here, but as you can see, I don't even have no hair down there. Because you're supposed to do it from the outer of your nose on up.
Yeah, I thought the rebirth had quads on that. Or they took it off.
So you're supposed to go and then, you know, connect it. Like that. Hold up. Like that. But I don't need to do all that because I know how I want my brows. So I'm going to just take that off. If you don't know what you're doing, then that's how you're going to shape out your brows. This is where your arch should be, where you put it to the front of your nose and top of your eye. Mine should actually be right here. I was actually like let my brows get like this on purpose so that more hair can grow in, because a lot of my brow hairs, I want thicker brows. My brows are like so thin that I don't like it. I like them thick brows. Like my little sister, well, she used to have thick brows, but she let somebody take that damn hair off, and now I hate it. Let's check our wax. All right, this is my wax system. It is currently on, this is like 180. It's currently on like about 180. That is still melting. And then we have our wax sticks. I just dipped it in there just to test it. That's why it has the wax on there. But these are our wax sticks. I'm using the hard wax beads. Do not mind the stuff that's in my background, okay, you guys? And this is the pencil that I'm using to mark up my face. And I got this off of Amazon. This is the company and the box that it came in. Came with additional bags of the wax beads and instructions. Alright, so our wax is ready. Our eyes are marked. I don't know, I thought I had some crust right there, Mama. Alright, we're gonna get started. So this is, so what you can do is stretch out your, pull your skin, wherever you have to pull the wax off at. Yep.
So she's a prisoner. Yes. It's that or we put her on the street.
Y'all probably can't see the little hairs on here.
Cross that line. If it happens
Like,
again,
what is it?
if anyone raises a hand to another,
This one ain't gonna be right.
they're out. Any of us.
I left the top off of the wax thing, so the wax is,
Only way this works.
no, it wasn't as hot on that one, but y'all could see how smooth. Oh, another trick I could do, so that, matter of fact, I should go ahead and do it. Use baby powder or cornstarch and apply it on the areas where you're about to wax. That also helps from keeping like moisture and pulling the wax from hurting and stuff like that. This is all the wax. Okay, y'all see this? I want to fall.
Pues pásame. Tú no. Más ellas.
Now this one to trim them, but I'm gonna trim them up. You know, brush the hairs.
Wait for a second.
Brush the hairs up and then trim. Brush them down and trim. I'm gonna do that off camera though. And then we'll come back and we better go ahead and I'm gonna show y'all my new brow technique. All right, so you can use a lash glue or got to be glue or whatever you use to hold your brows down in place. And then you can also take your fingers and just push it. But if you've never done it this way before, do one brow at a time. Depending on the product that you use, it may dry fast and you may need to take your time getting your brow together. I only use pomade now. I don't even use pencils no more to do my brows. So if you don't know how to do your brows symmetrical or have them looking the same, start with your non-dominant side. So if you're right-handed, you always do everything on the right side first if you're right-handed. do it on your left side, because then if you do it on your left side, then when you do your right, you're able to match it up. And vice versa. If you're left-handed, start with the right side. You know what I'm saying? So, one thing else I do different from some people too is I don't line my bottom side first. Sometimes I'll start with the top, because the top allows me to give myself the arch that I want. You know what I'm saying?
Is that the noise you're talking about?
No, that was another noise. Yeah, that's outside. You hear?
The following
Yeah.
is intended only for mature audiences. Viewer discretion advised.
I was like, oh no, like, who is that? That shit was annoying.
Oh, that's somebody's car.
No, ain't nobody called. I heard it was early in the morning. When I went to go start my car, it was still making noise outside. But it sounds so loud out here, like it's like at another, it's like in back of us. I got money. What y'all need? Y'all need a dollar? Y'all want me to get a UAV?
Now with bras like this, don't even really gotta like use no concealer to clean them up, because they are so neat already. Like, now to clean up my brows, I like to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer High Definition Foundation, and this is in warm caramel. My Morphe concealer brush, M421. This is a Wet n Wild fluffy blending brush. My Laura Mercier translucent powder, and my Morphe powder brush. I don't know what kind of brush this is, but this is the kind of brush. So, I do not conceal the top of my brows. No more, no. Depending on what you use to clean up your brows, do not go, don't do that lighter shade stuff no more, okay? No. So, the same rules apply when cleaning up your brows. If you want to get it symmetrical, do the other side. Okay? So, let me see how I can do this so y'all can see.
sit you up. When we're done, I'm not gonna move you.
Okay.
I'm gonna move you anyway. Okay. Y'all kill that nigga? Goddamn. Where the hell the other niggas at?
If you want them people that still don't know how to get your brows even, you can always just bring your concealer across like that so that it matches up. And then when you apply your foundation, of course, just clean that up in the middle. And if you, when you're doing this, if you tend to like mess up or touch a part of your brow with the concealer or foundation, just take your eyebrow brush. You don't need to apply extra product to it. And just make your line sharp like that. Go back over. And to clean the top of your brows, just use your foundation. When you're applying your foundation, you can take that same concealer brush and just apply it over there and then blend it out when you blend out your foundation. Like a harsh, like beginning of my brows. So I do like take this brush and just to wipe some of that off. Now, you want your brows to last all day. Take a translucent, translucent powder. And there you go. All right, y'all. So that's the end of this video. If you guys enjoyed this brow tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you guys can stay tuned to when I post. Also, share my videos so they can get around town. Okay. Also, please hit that like button and leave me some comments, okay? Yep. Until next time.